Hi, I'm Big Phil. Welcome to another episode. Today I will do an unboxing, a review and a test, a short one, of the FIFINE AmpliGame A8 microphone. Let's dive in. Well, let's have a look what's on the box. In the front of the box there is a photo of the microphone. In the back of the box there is a specification and features, which contains pop filter, shock mount, headphone jack, Type-C port, tap to mute button, vivid RGB lighting, RGB button and volume control. So let's have a look what's in the box. Well, there's manual. There's USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. I'm gonna actually have to use an adapter to plug it into my MacBook because obviously the old 2018 MacBook Pro doesn't have USB Type-A, so I'll have to use one of them. Anyway, let's go back to unboxing. Ooh, hold the microphone. Oh wow, that's solid. That's actually solid. Let's talk about build and design. It's nicely built, the quality is nice. It is plastic, but it does have that premium feel to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It comes with a desk stand, which is very grippy on the bottom. It does have a shock absorber mount with rubber bound around the microphone. There's a pop filter on the front to reduce sharp sound. There is a RGB light built in and you can change it to various colors as well as turn that gradient colors theme where it cycles through variant colors. At the back of the microphone there is a touch sensitive button to change RGB colors. On top of the microphone you have that touch sensitive mute button. On the bottom back of this microphone you have a small knob you can dial to set your microphone and find that sweet spot. If you turn it into plus, it will increase the audio level, and if you turn it into minus, it will decrease the audio level. On the bottom of the microphone there's also a headphone jack next to the USB Type-C port. In the box there's also a 1/4 inch thread mount you can put on anything you want, on an arm for example, or on a stand. I think it's time to plug the microphone into my laptop, talk about key points and test the microphone, do a short review. So let me know in the comment sections if you hear the difference, because now I'm recording the video using a Sony ECM B1M microphone on top of my Sony A7C camera. And now I will plug the microphone to my laptop and I will start recording voice from the microphone. See, RGB light, and it's changing colors. How cool is that? It is recording just now. So yes, here at the back you have that RGB button which you just press and it changes the color. You can cycle through and then it will change the color, and then if you long press it, it will disappear, so you don't need to have that RGB light on. It looks cool. For some people can be distracting, especially when they're in the game, because this microphone is targeting gamers. But I'll be using this for voiceovers, podcasting, because I'm planning to create a podcast soon. So let's see how it goes. Now I'm talking. I'm gonna press the mute button. So now you can hear me, and now now it's back on again. I've set the light turn red, so you probably can hear me. Now you can hear me, now I'm recording. It's great, it's absolutely great. I'm gonna put it on a stand just now here. I believe you can hear how the voice is clear and then how the sound is actually clear. I don't have any headphones to plug to this microphone, but when you plug your headphones next to the USB Type-C port, you can actually listen to yourself as you speak, or you can actually listen to what's going on in the game. You don't need to plug your cables to anything else like a laptop or a PC. So you can have just those two cables plugged to the microphone and then use it as a pass-through sound. So it is a really nice feature. The microphone I have here is in black, but it comes in a couple of colors, which is white, pink and blue, and obviously black. I've tested the microphone just before recording this video, so I know it does sound good. What do you think? Let me know in the comment sections. What do you think? How does it sound comparing to ECM B1M microphone from Sony? I will do the comparison later on between Rode wireless go-to microphones, the FIFINE AmpliGame A8 microphone, the Sony ECM B1M in studio environment. So that's going to be next video in a couple of weeks time. But at the moment, just let me know what you think about the sound quality from this microphone. A short disclaimer, because I want to be fully transparent and honest with you guys. I received this microphone for free from FIFINE for a review, and I said yes. As a beginning YouTuber, you want to do reviews, you want to do unboxings and everything. And when I was approached, I had mixed feelings, but then I thought, yeah, why not? If I tell you guys that I received this microphone for free for a review, then it's fine. It is my honest opinion, and as you watch this video now, FIFINE watched that with you as well, and they haven't seen the video prior releasing on YouTube. I didn't have to sign anything. The FIFINE didn't influence this video in any kind of way apart of by providing the microphone. If you have any suggestions about upcoming tests, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, just leave them underneath the video in the comment section. As well as remember to smash that like button, because it always helps me to grow the channel. It helps the algorithm. Overall, I'm a small channel, so every single like is very much appreciated. Consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, please hit that bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!